Hi everybody, my name is Megha and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for the day. Kohl is something that most of us girls wear on a daily basis. But if we've been wearing it the same old way, it's time to up your game now. Since it's a quintessential makeup item that all girls need, today I will be showing you how to create 3 different looks using the 5 shades of the Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl by Sugar Cosmetics. To set my base, I have used the Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade number 25, Macchiato. I'm going to apply a thin layer of this foundation on my eyelids and then set it with the Dream Cover SPF 15 Mattifying Compact in the shade number 10, Latte. The first look is the Smokey Seductress. This is a classic smoky eye look for which I'll be using the shade number 01, Back to Black. This is an intense black color and has a soft creamy texture in a waterproof Kohl pencil format that delivers in a single swipe. I will roughly apply the Kohl close to my lash line and blend it with a blending brush. I will be achieving a smoky look here. I will also bring this shade to my lower lid and smudge it under my lower lash line. In my waterline, I will be using the shade 05, Black Magic. This is a black with silver glitter shade. With this, look number 1 is complete and all you need is just 2 Kohls to create this. The second look is called the Graphic Goddess, and for this I'll be using the shade number 2 called Purple Rain to create a quirky and bold look. I will first trace the shape on my eye that I want here and then fill in the shade. This is best for parties where you want to express your style. To balance this bold look, I will be creating an inverse of this look on my other eye. This is focused towards the crease of the eye. You're going to become completely unbored with your eye makeup with this fun, cool, quirky graphic look. This is it for look number 2, using just 1 Kohl. What do you guys think? The third look is the Dual Diva. This is a sharp wing liner look with a twist. For this, I'll be using the shade number 03, Green Light, and 04, Blue Suede Shoes. I will start this look with shade number 03. I will apply this from the inner corner of my eye till the center of the lid. Then from the center of the lid towards the outer corner of my eye for the crease, I'll be using the shade number 04. Once the wing is created, I will blend it a little to create a smoked out effect. To achieve great precision for this look, use a sharpener to sharpen the Kohl, which you get along with it. So this is the final look. It is great for days when you want to go bold without going all out. So as you all saw, your Kohl can really elevate your eye game, and using a few ideas, you can keep a fresh look every day. So what are you all waiting for? Click on the links in the description below to buy all these Kohls now. This video has a special coupon code attached. Find and stand a chance to win. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel, and do tag us in your recreations. Thank you. Bye.